This is another video on how to be consistent and disciplined on your clean eating journey. And that's what we really need in this life, consistency and discipline. And it's so hard at times, but I got you. When it comes to healthy eating, I have come a long way. I'm telling you, I've come a long way. But this is what I did, and this is what I do, is creating a system to reach your goal. As you can see here, we have a diagram, and it has two circles. One, the outside we ignore, throw that away. And the middle one, that's where we're going to put our focus on. It says things we can control. Emphasis of the can. Now, for this video, we're just going to focus on self-care. Then you're going to make a mind map, or like I did here, just a list. And then underneath self-care, you add the topics. You get what I'm saying? Like your diet, your physical health. Ignore the other stuff like, shower and stuff like that. I'm not talking about that in this video, but we're talking about diet and physical health. But in your spare time, you can add the other topics like skincare. What else is in self-care? You can't play, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get to it now. Step 1, you turn the things on the self-care list above into a question. This is how you will find your goal and vision, and you write it down. For example, the first thing says your diet. So I'm turning it into a question, and I'm going to ask myself, how do I want to eat? Okay, number 2, turn the answers into habits that suits you and your schedule. For example, I asked myself, how do I want to eat? And then my answer is, I can, for instance, say, I want to eat balanced. Or I can say, which is written here, I want to eat clean and healthy. And that's when I look for the habits that suits me. The emphasis on suits you, not anyone else, but what suits you. For instance, these are just examples. Drinking 3 liters of water a day. Have 1 green smoothie. Drink a green juice. 1 hour meal prep for the next day. Watch a podcast from your favorite health and wellness channel. Take your supplements and probiotics. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to add that into your weekday habits. If you have I don't know where you put your habits or whatever, but I put mine on my notes. Divide it into different sections, such as mental, emotional, spiritual, but we're going to focus on the physical category since we are talking about health and wellness. Again, these are just examples. You do what works for you. And as you can see, there's a difference with some of the things that's written. Some are in bold and underlined. Those ones are the ones that you have to do, because sometimes our habit trackers can be so full that it's impossible to complete all of them. But the ones that are underlined and in bold are the ones that you aim to complete during the day. You execute and then you tick it off. You press that little circle and it just does a tick on it. But yeah, that's it really. And you can use this system to create all your other habits. Okay, bye.